Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried rice. First, ensure you're using day-old cold rice. This is crucial for a non-soggy result. Next, gather and prepare all your ingredients. This means dicing your vegetables and proteins into small, uniform pieces and having your sauces measured and ready to go. This preparation, often called mise en place, makes the cooking process smooth and efficient. Now let's build those amazing flavors. Heat your wok or large pan over high heat, adding 1 tablespoon of oil. First, quickly sauté your aromatics such as minced garlic and ginger until fragrant, which takes about 30 seconds. Then, add your chosen protein like chicken or shrimp and cook it until it's almost fully done, then set it aside. This prevents overcooking and ensures perfect texture. With your aromatics and protein ready, it's time for the stars of the show. Push any remaining ingredients to one side of the pan and add another tablespoon of oil. Quickly stir-fry your harder vegetables, like carrots and peas, until they are crisp tender. Then, add your cold rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Ensure the rice gets evenly coated with the oil and begins to heat through. For the grand finale, push the rice and vegetables to one side, creating a small well in the center. Add a tiny bit more oil and quickly scramble 1 or 2 eggs directly in the pan. Once the egg is nearly set, return your cooked protein to the pan. Drizzle in your soy sauce and any other desired seasonings. Toss everything together vigorously for about 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are perfectly combined and hot. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.